Absolutely free software, no fear of losing any data, more secure, big pop-up menu with notifications, customizable ringtone facility, cross-platform like web app, Windows, Mac, and Android versions. Hello viewers, after seeing the thumbnail, you must have understood what I have brought to you. Be patient and stay tuned. The ultimate benefit will be yours. Yes, I was saying the name of the app with so many features is NotiHub, a notification alert app. So let's not talk too much and dive into the app. First of all, we'll search notihub.org on Google search bar and it will take us directly to their website. Over here, as you can see, it has taken us to the register and login page. Let's register since we don't have any account created. Let's type in our password and create an account. They have sent us a mail for verification. Let's check our mail and verify. Over here, they have already given us the link. Let's verify our account. As you can see, our account is verified and it has taken us to the user guide section. You guys can go ahead and start with the video if you guys are new. And if you guys are facing any troubles, this user guide video has made it so much easier for the beginners. So let's dive into the dashboard and let's head over to the settings. You guys can choose how much sound you guys want in your notification. I want maximum, so I'll just go with 80%. Here they have default sounds for you guys. You guys can select any of them, or if they aren't in your likings, you guys can also customize your own sound by choosing a file and uploading it. I'm just gonna select sound from the default. It's selected, as you can see. Now let's save all settings and let's head over to the source. Here is the display name. You guys can name any site, website, for example, Fiverr, Mail, Freelance, Upwork, anything. So we'll test and start with Mail. I will paste the link of my mail. Now, as you can see, it is asking for a specific password. Now we'll go ahead by clicking this Google security link, and it will directly take us to generating a password. Alright, now I have entered my password and it has directly taken us to the app password. We'll name the app NotiHub and create a password. As you can see, it has given us a specific password. You guys must keep it in a safe place because you guys cannot see the password again. Let's click it. Remember to cross out the space before entering the password in our app. Let's click Start Monitoring. Here on the wishlist, we can see that our platform that we want to be notified of is activated. Now to test it, if it actually works, we're gonna use another mail to send email to our mail that we're using the notification app from. Now I have written an email. Let's send it to our mail. Let's go to our mail that we are gonna be notified of and let's wait for 40 seconds. Generally takes up to 40 seconds because of browser safety. It helps us to detect whether if anyone is actually hacking or not. So let's keep Waiting for our results, and let's see if it notifies us. As you can see, it has notified us with a big pop-up and a sound on repeat because I have turned on the looping button. Now let's dismiss it. Oh, tell me guys, if any pop-up that comes on front screen as big as this and doesn't stop until you dismiss it, will it miss your eyes? You guys will be woken up even from a deep sleep. Let's dismiss it. Let's discover this app a little more. Let's head over to the About section. Here, the developer has explained about the app, how to use it, why it must be used, and how it benefits us. At the end of the About section, I have noticed that he has said one little thing, that is, it's a huge burden to bear maintenance cost of an app with so many features for free. Considering that, if you see some ads in the video or sidebar, please forgive and look at it with a good eye. There is another section of frequently asked question. If you guys have any queries or any questions about this app, you guys can go through this FAQ section, and if you don't find any answers from here, you guys can go ahead and ask your questions. The developer will answer you. Now, another thing I have noticed about this app also has a dark mode. If you guys aren't comfortable in light mode, you guys can use dark mode. I would personally use dark mode because it gives me more focus and motivation. Another thing is that if you guys are using Windows, you guys can go ahead and download Windows version, either Mac, and their Android version is coming soon. So since I'm a Windows user, I'm gonna show you guys the Windows. As you can see, it has bring us to the file. Let's save it, and it is downloading. Our download has been completed. Let's head over to the download section. As you can see, this is our downloaded file. Let's click it. Let's click more info. Let's run anyway. As you can see, it has opened its login and register page. The rest of the system is same as before. We have registered before, so let's log in now. So as you can see, we have logged in, and it is same as before. Everything is same. Every instruction is same. Nothing has changed. It is just an Android exe file. Now let's head over to the Mac and how to download on Mac. As you can see, after we have logged in, it is same as before. Nothing has changed. Every system and every instruction is the same. We can use it in the same way. Just it is a Windows exe file. Now let's head over to the Macs. Now let's head over to download, and let's click on Mac OS download. And as you can see, our file is downloading. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. As you guys can see, our file has been downloaded. So let's right click and open it. It will take a little bit of time to connect with the server. Alright guys, so now let's log in, and we are signed in. So basically the interface is same. We function it the same way as Windows exe or the web browser. I showed you guys the downloading on Mac and Windows to remove any confusion if you guys have any queries about it. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope it was helpful to you guys and you guys have give it a try. Work smarter and sleep better. Bye.